Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's Herculist review video, we're going to look at 5 ways to get paid with Herculist. It's totally free to join and earn. So there'll be a link in the description that will take you to a page like this. And all you do is just click on the Get Started button. And you'll see here you can claim a $5 sign-up bonus. So not only is it free to join, they also give you, you can claim this $5 sign up bonus today for just setting up your free account. Hercules has been online for over 20 years. It's a very solid platform for advertising and generating income. I'm going to show you some proof of income, and this includes buyers. So don't don't think just because it's a free advertising site that people aren't spending money on there, because they are. And I'm going to show you 5 ways to earn income. And what I want to show you first is, excuse me, I want to show you the Alexa ranking. If you don't know Alexa ranking, what it does, it shows you how websites are performing on the internet. And what you'll see here, that people, this is a 90 days statistic, and over the last 90 days you'll see the growth here. So it's grown. This is a rank of all the millions of sites on the internet. Herculist is ranked number 7,573. So it's important to be where people are advertising. It's important to be where people are making money, and it's important to be where websites are getting more popular, so you can get more of your adverts seen and you can make more money. You'll also see, looking at the audience geography, you'll also see that 52% of the traffic comes from the United States, and that's classed as tier 1 traffic, which is the best traffic you can get on the internet. So it includes buyers. I'm going to take you inside the platform of Hercules today. If you do enjoy videos like Make Money Online, then please click subscribe and ring the bell icon for notifications. So I've done over 200 videos here on all different aspects of making money online. Have a look at my channel. And what I'm going to do is, I've done a playlist. If you look in the bottom right here, I've done a playlist on Herculist with 8 different videos, and I'm going to pin that to the top comment under this video. So if you sign up and you join up for a free account, then you get taken into a back office like this. So quite a lot of information. Just take your time having a look around. And what they do is, they've got this new video tutorial, and what that will do, it's about a 30-minute video that explains everything about Hercules, all the different advertisings, ways to advertise, ways to make money. So if you do, when you first log in, watch the new video tutorial, and that'll just give you a better understanding of how things work. So what I'm going to do now is, I'm going to show you some proof that people are actually buying and upgrading in this system. Bear with me. Let's go on to affiliate program. So I joined as a free member, and when I joined, there was, I think there was 90,000 members when I first joined. So you'll see here the upgrade. So far 20 people I've referred, and I started out as free. I'm now a full lifetime member, earning 50% commissions. But you'll see here my total earned is $119, and then the upgrade for gold costs me, I think, $49. So I'm in profit, and that's just through advertising the affiliate program. So when I'm talking about 5 different ways of making money with Hercules, the first way is to promote the affiliate program, and you'll see here what commissions you can earn. So as a free member, you can still earn money promoting Hercules. So you get the $5 sign-up bonus, and this is what you get as a free member: 25% commissions on all referral membership payments. So that's the first way that you actually can make money with Herculist. So if you look at some of my other videos, you'll see how I promote it using free traffic. Let's have a look now at the, bear with me, let's have a look now at the second method. And the second method are the solo ads. So people are buying traffic all the time. You can promote solo ads. We're going to go back into, these are all the affiliate marketing tools you get to promote Herculist. So this one here, if we click on this one here, this is a solo ads page. So you'll see here the packages start at $5.95, and it's very affordable. This is sort of what I would call an impulse solo ad, affordable to the masses. And you'll see here what they do is they promote to their buyers as well. So that's an income stream number 2. You can use the links there, and this one here has also got let's have a look, a mega mail. Let's click on that one there and show you this one. This is another one here you can promote. So, and they do special offers here where they're quadrupling the submissions. So people always need traffic, and they always need good quality traffic. So you can you get links as a free member to promote solo ads. And the third way we're going to look at is by using the ad mailer. So if I can find, bear with me, if I can find, let's have a look. I'll go back to home. So with the ad mailer, what you can do as a free member, if you can send an email, you can send the ad mailer. And the ad mailer as a free member means you can send out to 1,000 members every day. So that's 30,000 per month, which is absolutely great. So if you want to use it as a traffic exchange, click there for the tutorial on how to use the ad mailer. Really, really easy. If you're a free member, you'll use the right hand side over here with credit. So as a free member, the credit, yeah. So as 1,000 every day, you'll use this one, the credit mailer, and then that's the regular mailer that I use there to as an upgraded member. So 1,000 every day, 30,000 a month, and then you can get more credits. You see here I've got 6,000 credits, so you can use your credits as well. If you want to use it as a traffic exchange, then you can use that to actually send even more emails. Now let's have a look at the fourth option. Now the fourth option is what we call Herculist. So what you'll see is you'll see adverts popping up on the right hand side, continue to Herculist. So this is where you use the advertising system within Herculist to promote your own offers, and that's how you earn your other income stream. And you'll see here they're very, very simple. Again, you watched the video on how to do these. Click here, click the film here for the Herculist tutorial. Really easy to use. It's just a case of adding text. But you'll see these are all getting views. Look at the views here, 2,021 views added on March the 11th. So that's been there for nearly a week. Look at this one here, views 7,000 since the end of February. So people are constantly looking. This could be your advert on the Herculist within Herculist to get in traffic to promote your own offers. And the last one we're going to look at is called the Zone. And this is where you use Herculist as a traffic exchange. So what you do is for every advert, every website you look at, you get a visit to your own. So all you do is go into settings and you add your own website in there, and then you see the timer here. Every time I click on there and look at our website, I'm going to get a visit to my website that I've previously set up here in my settings. So whatever you're promoting, you go into settings and stats, and then when you go into the zone, it's like for like. And if you look at this here in the top left, submit to 22,000 proven buyers. So this is they even do promotions for you within Herculist. And one last one that I've just remembered, bear with me, which is really another free way, is when you use the ad mailer as a safe list, what happens is as soon as your ad mailer goes out, let's just get rid of all these pop-ups, then the subject title of your safe list mail goes on the right hand side here. The bold ones are for upgraded members, and the one, so you see you've got free members. This one here is not in bold, so that's someone who just used the ad mailer as a free member. These two people here using the ad mailer as a free member. So a lot of free members, and then some people, like you saw before, do upgrade when they see the value or they want to get more traffic to their offer. So any questions on Herculist, please leave those in the comments below. Please give this video a like and a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel if you want more Make Money Online videos. Thanks very much for watching. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.